Two friends were living in a village with their families. Both the friends were close friends. They worked in their fields separately. But whenever they need any help from each other, they came forward. The time was passing by. The first friend became very rich, and the second friend became very poor. Although both the friends had the same acres of land, both the friends worked with the same hard work and dedication, but their results were different. The second friend was very upset. He decided to stop his farming and wanted to go to the town for work. The first friend asked him not to go anywhere and assured him to help. But the second friend did not listen to his first friend. Then the second friend went to town for work. He worked very hard to earn a lot of money. But he failed and returned home empty handed. The first friend came to meet him and asked him everything. The second friend unfolded everything. At that time, the first friend asked the second friend to work together in the same field. The second friend agreed. After some time, both the friends worked together in the same field. The first friend enjoyed a lot and worked with enthusiasm in the field. But the second friend did not enjoy anything. He was just doing his work half-hearted. There was not a sight of enthusiasm on his outlook. Gradually, the second friends also started enjoying in work and getting the same enthusiasm like the first friend. After some months, they reaped the huge amount of crops from their fields. Then the second friend understood the secret of success of his first friend. Thereafter, the second friend also enjoyed a lot and worked with enthusiasm in his field like the first friend. He too became a rich like his friend. So always remember, enthusiasm is like the energy that injected in you. Without enthusiasm, you can't do your work properly and in perfection. No doubt you have tremendous skill and talent within you. If you are doing any work without enthusiasm, then no matter how much you try on your work, you never get success. It will put a lot of pressure on you. To do anything in your life, you need enthusiasm, because only your enthusiasm makes your every work easy and successful in short duration. You will enjoy your work. You will feel everything as easy as playing your favorite game. You will feel relaxed, and the most important thing is that it will help you get success before time. Enthusiasm is like the energy that injected in you.